Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 35. I'm gonna explain about more classifiers. Chapter 35 or bab 35. More classifiers. Helai, pucuk, bilah, keping, ketul, bentuk, buku, kuntum, pintu, and rawan. Number 1, helai means sheet or pieces for counting flat and thin objects such as paper, kertas, mats, tikar, clothing, pakaian, leaves, daun. Examples: 2 helai tikar, 2 mats, 5 helai kemeja, 5 shirts, 3 helai daun, 3 leaves, sehelai sapu tangan, 1 handkerchief. Helai untuk objek yang nipis atau halus, for the object that is thin or fine. Sehelai kertas, a paper. Se means satu, 1. Sehelai baju, a shirt, a cloth. Sehelai daun, a leaf. Sehelai selendang, a headscarf. 2. Pucuk. Pucuk we use for firearm, senjata api, ladders, surat, and needles, jarum. Examples: 3 pucuk senapang, 3 rifles. 10 pucuk surat, 10 ladders. 2 pucuk jarum, 2 needles. 3. Bilah, used for blade objects such as knives, pisau, weapons, senjata, axe, kapak. Examples: 5 bilah pedang, 5 swords. 6 bilah pisau, 6 knives. Sebilah kapak, and 8. Bilah untuk objek yang tajam, for sharp object. This is kapak. This is gunting. This is pisau. This is pedang. This is gergaji. And this is keris, Malay traditional weapon. For keping means piece, is used for flat thick objects such as planks, papan, biscuits, biskut. Examples: 20 keping papan, 20 planks. 4 keping biskut, 4 biscuits. Keping untuk benda yang berkeping atau nipis, for the things or objects that is in pieces or thin. Like here, roti, bread. This is papan, plank. Tiket, tiket. Gambar, picture. 5 ketul, used for hard and lumpy objects, usually of irregular shape, such as pebbles, batu, meat, daging. Examples: 2 ketul batu, 2 pebbles. Seketul daging, a piece of meat. Contoh, examples: daging, meat. Daging refers to any meat, it's general. Could be chicken, could be beef, buffalo, mutton, etc. Tulang, bone. Ice, ice. 6. Bentuk. Bentuk literally means shape, used for finger rings, cincin, and fishing hooks, mata kail. Examples: 3 bentuk cincin, 3 rings. 5 bentuk mata kail, 5 fishing hooks. Buku literally means book, but buku for classify we use for loaves of bread, roti, and soap, sabun. Example: 2 buku roti, 2 loaves of bread. 8. Kuntum. Blossom is used for flowers. 6. Kuntum bunga. 6 flowers. A bunch of flowers. Seikat bunga. Ikat means tie, tied up. Sejambak bunga. A bouquet of flowers. This is bunga kekwa. Bunga matahari. Bunga tulip. 9. Pintu. Door is used for shop houses or terrace houses. Examples: 4 pintu rumah kedai. 4 shop houses. 2 pintu rumah teres. 2 terrace houses. This is rumah teres. Beberapa pintu rumah teres. Several terrace houses. Beberapa means several. And 10. Rawan. Rawan is used for fishing nets such as jala, casting net. Example: 3 rawan jala. 3 casting nets. Serawan jala. 1 casting net. Serawan jaring. 1 net. This is casting net and this is net like badminton net. Words to remember. Nouns: batu, stone. Also pebbles. Biskut, biscuit or cookies. Cincin, finger ring. Daun, leaf. Doctor, doctor. Duri, thorn. Gandum, wheat. Gigi, tooth. Intan or berlian, diamond. Jarum, needle. Kertas, paper. Lebah, bee. Papan, plank. Pakaian, clothes. Perut, stomach. Pokok, tree. Rumah kedai, shop house. Sabun, soap. Senjata, weapon. Senjata api, firearm. Tepung, flower. Tikar, mat. Tilam, mattress. Tunangan or tunang, fiancé. Exercise. Nombor 1. Tiap-tiap sekotak mengandungi 20 jarum. Each of the boxes contains 20 needles. For needles, we use pucuk. 2. Semasa dia melawat bandar Bentuk tahun sudah, dia membeli 6 pisau tembaga. When he was visiting Bangkok 2 years ago, he bought 6 copper knives. So for knives, bladed object is bilah. 3. Di dalam tin itu didapati kira-kira 100 biskut. Inside that can found around 100 cookies. So for biskut or cookies, sin object, keping. 4. Penjala itu melemparkan sebatu. That caster or that fisherman throw a stone sebelum dia menebar jalanya, before he cast his fishing net. So for stone, irregular shape, ketul. 5. Di jari manisnya, at his ring finger. Jari means finger. Jari manis, ring finger. At his ring finger tersarung, put on, cincin emas, gold ring. For ring, bentuk. 6. Anak dia sudah tumbuh 2 gigi. His child already grow 2 teeth. For teeth, batang. This is teeth, gigi. 7. Saya hendak membeli 2 tuala. I want to buy 2 towels. So for towels, clothes, it's helai. 8. Bersama-sama surat itu, together with that letter, dia menyertakan, he attached 2 gambar, 2 pictures. For pictures, keping, because it's a scene object. 9. Sewan, bunga itu, that flower, berharga, cost RM2, 2 ringgit. For flower, kuntum, sekuntum bunga itu berharga RM2. 10. Dalam inside one or a, ada 12, got 12 rokok, cigarette. Dalam sebungkus, in a pack or a carton, ada 12 batang rokok. There are 12 cigarettes. This is hand and fingers. Fingers in bahasa Melayu is jari. Keterangan, description. This one, thumb, ibu jari or jempol, but we use ibu jari more. Index finger, jari telunjuk. Middle finger, jari tengah or jari hantu. Hantu means ghost. 4. Ring finger, jari manis. 5. Pinky, kelingking. Another exercise, number 1. My father received 4 electronic mails this morning. Bapa saya menerima 4 pucuk mail elektronik pagi ini. Number 2. The dentist extracted 2 of his bad teeth. Doktor gigi mencabut 2 batang gigi buruknya. Number 3. Every student is provided with a computer. Tiap-tiap murid dibekalkan dengan sebuah komputer. 4. Father bought 2 shirts and 2 handkerchiefs. Bapa or ayah membeli 2 helai kemeja dan 6 helai sapu tangan. 5. Please give me 10 sheets of A4 size paper. Tolong berikan saya 10 helai kertas bersaiz A4 or A4. In conversation we say A4. So like previous lesson for classifiers, in conversation it's up to you if you want to put the classifier or not, no problem. Number 6. A new gun cost about 1,200 ringgit. Sepucuk senapang baharu berharga kira-kira 1,200 ringgit. 7. There are 5 loaves of bread on the table. Di atas meja ada 5 buku roti. 8. The carpenter planed 15 pieces of planks today. Tukang kayu mengetam 15 keping papan hari ini. 9. Her fiancé gave her a diamond ring. Tunangnya memberi dia sebentuk cincin berlian. 10. My aunt bought 2 pieces of rubber mats yesterday. Emak saudara saya membeli 2 helai tikar getah semalam. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.